Hello everyone. In our today's class, we are going to practice reading. So children, let's get started. Children, I will request you all to read with me loudly. Okay? Now before that, what you can see here? Can you tell me what is this? Yes, you are right. It's a dolphin. It's a dolphin. This dolphin lives in water. So now let's read the passage. Before that, let us read the heading. R-E-A-D-I-N-G. Reading. P-E-R-R-Y. Perry. I-S is a D-O-L doll, P-H-I-N fin, dolphin. Perry is a dolphin. Children, please read with me loudly. He found, F-O-U-N-D, found. A, N-E-W knew, F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. He found a new friend. H-I-S his, N-E-W knew, F-R-I-E-N-D friend. I-S is P-I-P-K-O-K-O, Pico. His new friend is Pico. P-I-K-O, Pico. I-S is a S-M-A-L-L small F-I-S-H fish. Pico is a small fish. O-N-E-1 D-A-Y day, P-I-K-O Pico, W-E-N-T went, N-E-A-R near, A, B-I-G big, B-O-A-T boat. One day, Pico went near a big boat. He, W-A-S was, C-A-U-G-H-T, caught. B-Y by, a, F-I-S-H-E-R fisher, M-A-N man, fisherman. He was caught by a fisherman. B-U-T but, P-E-R-R-Y, Perry, H-E-L-P-E-D, helped. H-I-M him, O-U-T out. But Perry helped him out. B-O-T-H both, O-F off, T-H-E-M them, A-R-E-R, N-O-W now, S-A-F-E safe. Both of them are now safe. Now children, let us read it from the first and understand the passage. Perry is a dolphin. So who is Perry? Perry is a dolphin, means its name is Perry. He found a new friend and Perry found a new friend. His new friend is Pico. And what is the name of his friend? His new friend is Pico. His name is Pico. So Pico is Perry's friend. Pico is a small fish. And now who is Pico? Pico is a small fish. One day, Pico went near a big boat. And one day what happened? Pico went near a big boat. There he was caught by a fisherman. And there he was caught by a fisherman means a fisherman. Fisherman means those who catches fish. Okay, a fisherman caught Pico, but Perry helped him out. But Perry went there and Perry helped Pico to come out from there. Both of them are now safe. And after that, both of them means Perry and Pico. Both of them are now safe. Now children, in this passage, you can see that I have underlined few words, right? I have underlined it with orange color. So, what you have to do? You have to learn the spellings of these underlined words. You have to learn it by heart. Okay? So, I will request everybody to learn the underlined spelling of this passage. First, you read it nicely, you practice reading, and then you will learn the underlined spellings. Okay?